Hi friends, this video shows how to remove some movies and shows from kids profile. Right now I am in kids profile kit 2. Here I already installed Prime Video, Netflix and Hotstar apps in this kids profile. If you go down here you can see shows and movies. I am going to hide one show. Let me select one show. Let me select this one. Then press and hold select button on the remote. Select hide. Again select hide. See, this way we can hide one show. Similarly we can hide movie as well. If you want to see those hidden movies and shows, you can go to top left corner, select settings, enter profile password, go down, select hidden movies and shows. See here you can find hidden movies and shows. From here you can select one. You can try show. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.